What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. I hope you guys are doing great and I hope you're having a great week. Today I am back with another Forex related video. Yes, today I'm gonna show you my personal favorite candlestick patterns that will help you get sniper entries, meaning these candlestick patterns will confirm that a certain setup is correct for you to enter, and I'm gonna cover exactly which candlesticks I do enjoy most and which ones give me the most confidence to take that trade and don't look back. Of course, you gotta keep in mind that there's gonna be multiple times where even though it's a great setup, you get great candlestick confirmations, sometimes it happens that the trade goes against you and your stop loss will get hit, but this is perfectly normal. Otherwise this would have been too easy and every single one of us would have been a billionaire. Okay, so that's how trading is. You gotta keep treated like a business. You'll have losses, so you gotta be prepared for that. Okay, so before I jump into the video, guys, feel free to subscribe and also share the video if you enjoy my content. Also, make sure you have that notification bell turned on to not miss out any of my uploads. Also, feel free to join my free signal group. My free signal group link is down below. The link to my IG and website are also down below. And if you want to book a one-on-one session with me, or if you want to learn my strategies, make sure to DM me privately on Telegram. Link will also be down below. Okay. And also, before I want to start the video, I'm going to actually give away $30 to one of you guys. The giveaway is going to be announced today, and the giveaway winner will be announced on Sunday. Okay, so you have 3 days to enter. The rules are really simple. All you have to do is join my free signal group. You will have the link down in the video description, and after that you have to invite 2 new people to the group. After all of that is done, you only have to DM me privately on Telegram and you will be entered in the giveaway. Okay, it is very simple. Sunday, I will announce the winner in the free signal group. Okay, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, let's just jump straight into the video. So, first things first, I'm gonna tell you what my favorite candlestick patterns are. So my favorite candlestick patterns are engulfings, doji, and pin bars. Okay, these 3 patterns are my favorites. So now let me show you some example of engulfings, bullish and bearish. So we can see a very good example right here of a bullish engulfing, right? This candle right here. This is a bullish engulfing, and to be honest with you, if you trade supply and demand, this could have been a entry confirmation for you. So let's say you had this level in mind as a strong area of resistance, of support, and then all you waited for is to get a candlestick confirmation in it. So all you do now is wait for price to get in this zone and throw you a candlestick confirmation. Now it's in the zone, and now boom, bullish engulfing. So now if you are a supply and demand trader, you could literally enter after this bullish engulfing, stop loss either underneath the red candle or underneath the zone. If you want to be more aggressive, you can place it under the red candle, and take profit could be the next area of resistance, which would be this one up here. Okay, so now you play the trade forward, and you can see that this is a profitable trade. You're now 1-to-1 in profit. Stop loss should be a break even, and you have a risk-free trade. Okay, so this is a engulfing example. The same goes for bearish, bearish candlesticks. It's the exact same thing. This right here is a example of a bearish engulfing. This red candle right here. Basically, it has to be bigger than the previous one, which is the opposite color. Okay, so it's very simple to see. Now let me show you some doji candle examples. So some doji examples are the candles with long wicks and very short bodies, like this one. The body is in the middle and the wicks are long, like this one. This is the perfect example of a doji candle. Okay, this candle tells us that, okay, we have some bullish exhaustion and the price might start to get bearish. And that's exactly what happened. Well, now here, you wouldn't really have a zone to enter this trade based off. I mean, you could say you had this zone right here. And then after you saw this doji, you could have entered a sell right here with stop loss either above the zone or above the doji to have a bigger risk reward. And you could have aimed for this zone right here, which would have gave you a 8R, really good trade. But keep in mind, if you decide to place your stop loss like this and not above the zone, you will get a bigger risk to reward, but you will get a lower win rate as well. So you will get stopped out many more times as usual, but the risk to reward would be a lot better. Okay, so that depends on you. If you can mentally keep going, even if you lose 2, 3, 4, 5 trades in a row, then yes, you can aim for a bigger risk to reward strategy. But if you want to have a big win rate, then you should go for a lower risk to reward strategy. Okay, it is very simple, nothing too hard to understand. Okay, and now the last example is the pin bar. Okay, so the pin bar has a very long wick and the body is on top if we aim for a buy, and the body is on the bottom if we aim for a sell. So now let me actually show you a example of a pin bar. So I mean, this one kind of looks like a pin bar. Well, it kind of has a small wick, but it's never gonna be perfect, is it? You know, so it looks kind of like this one right here. So a long wick to the downside if we look for buys, and the body is on the top side. And for the sells is the exact opposite. We can see this one here, a long wick to the upside, and we have the body on the bottom. Okay, so right here, let's say you had this zone as your entry confluence, as your fire zone, and now price entered your zone, and you would be like, okay, well, what should I do next? I should wait for a candlestick confirmation. And you just play the price forward, market moves, no candlestick confirmations, and then all of a sudden it throws you a pin bar. Now, okay, this is my candlestick confirmation. I'm gonna enter a sell right here. I'm gonna place my stop loss above these candles, which is exactly above the zone, and my take profit could be either this zone right here or this zone right here if I want to be more aggressive. But to be honest with you, I would prefer aiming for this zone, which would give me a 4R. Okay, so now let's play price forward and see what happens. Price almost stops us out here, but it didn't, and then it went straight into our take profit. Okay, so this was a example of the pin bar, and yeah, like these candlestick confirmations really do work, and if you combine them with supply and demand, man, trust me, you can really do some really good profits. Okay, so now let's just play with the bar replay real quick to show you a example. I'm just gonna play with the bar replay. So let's start on the H1, and I'm just gonna right here. Okay, so let's say we are here now, and we can see this right here. So on the H1, straight off the bat, we are bullish. I would draw this like this to know that I'm bullish. We can see higher lows and higher highs being created. Very simple to see. And we could take a aggressive sell based off this resistance zone right here if we get a candlestick confirmation. Other zones of confluences are these ones down here. So now we can go on the M15 and look for some candlestick confirmations once we enter this resistance up here. Okay, so we play the price forward, and check this out. This is the a more better example of a pin bar. Okay, this is the legit example of a pin bar. So no wick on the downside, a very long wick on the upside, and the body is on the downside. Okay, so this is a clear confirmation for us to enter a sell. Price is in our fire zone. We can choose to place our stop loss above the pin bar, but to be honest, I would place it above the zone because it's very close. And just for extra safety, I would do that. And I would aim for a 4R because that happens to be exactly at this zone right here. Okay, so now let's see how the market plays. Oh, we would have actually got stopped out very slightly. We would have got stopped out. Okay, so we have a -1R. This was unfortunate, but check this out. Price then threw us a doji. So I would have entered right after this doji candle with my stop loss right above this wick up here. And I would have aimed for the exact same zone, which would give me a 8.5R. Now I'm -1R because I lost the previous trade, but let's see if we manage to win this one. Oh, boom, it started to go our way now. Let's see. Price is now, oh, sorry. Price is now going towards our take profit. Let's see if we can get a take profit. And yep, we managed to secure a 8.5R. Very good trade. And now we can see that we approached this zone right here, and we know that we are bullish. We know that we are bullish, so guess what? Now we can look for buys. And exactly after our trade hit the take profit, now we get a bullish confirmation, and we know that on the H1 we are in an uptrend, you know. So I would more than likely enter a buy right here. I would like to be more aggressive, especially after I did this crazy win right here. I would like to be more aggressive, and I would place my stop loss below the wick right here and not below the zone, and this would give me a 3R. Okay, so let's play the market. Oh, we would have been stopped out, but exactly after I would have continued to watch the price, and guess what happened? It threw us another bullish engulfing, and I would have entered here again. Even though I got stopped out first, I would have entered again. Stop loss again right below the wick. Okay, and take profit would have been here, which would give me a 3R. Looks like it's gonna hit. Okay, and yeah, it hit. Okay, so yeah, like this is a really simple way to trade, and these candlestick confirmations really help a lot. Trust me, they're a game changer. Okay, they might be the missing part of your puzzle, so make sure to start using them. Like legit. Look, today, like in this day where I did the bar replay, 20th May, in one single day, yeah, I have 2 wins and 2 losses, but the losses are 1%. And the wins, if we would have risked 1% per trade, we would have made 8.5% on this one and 3% on this one. So in total, a 11.5% R minus 2R, that's gonna be a 9.5R win in one single day. Okay, so that's insane. Even though the win rate is 50%, because we won 2 trades and we lost 2 trades, the risk to reward was very big, so that's why we came so profitable. Okay, so yeah, feel free to use this strategy. It really does work if you respect all the rules, and trust me, continue watching candlestick confirmations. Okay, they are very important, and they can be used as your entry trigger. Okay, so yeah guys, this was pretty much it for the video. If you have any questions, make sure to drop them down below. I will make sure to check them out. And yeah, don't forget to enter the giveaway. All you have to do is to enter the free signal group, invite 2 people, and then DM me privately so I can enter you in the poll. And after that, on Sunday, I will announce the winner. Okay, so yeah guys, this was it for today's video. Make sure you're subscribed to not miss out on future uploads, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.